Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable developer options on TCL A300W. To do it, click on the settings button on your remote, then click on OK to enter all settings. Then you can go to System, About, and go down to Android TV OS build. Now click on OK 7 times. And now go back, and in System you can go down to Developer Mode Options, and here are different settings that you can change in Developer Options. But you need to be careful with that because you can break your device by changing settings. So I suggest you not using these options if you are not familiar with them. And to disable them, just go on the top of developer options and disable them. Now they have disappeared. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.